Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to build a simple productivity website using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I got the idea because every time my exams get close and I realized I didn't study that much the whole semester, so my best savior was Pomodoro technique or study with me videos. This have helped me to complete my studies at the last minute. So I thought why not to build a tool that can help me stay productive using my skills. First thing I will do now is do some research, get some inspiration. I want the website to feel cozy and classic. So let's see what ideas can we gather.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويؤمنون به ويستغفرون للذين آمنوا ربنا وسعت كل شيء رحمة وعلما.
Alright, after watching some study with me videos and exploring some productivity website, I come up with this plan. The idea in my mind now for what we will build on the main page, I want to create Pomodoro timer and below it section where you can add your tasks. I also want to create full screen timer page with black background. I found it looks really good and less distracting comparing to regular Pomodoro timer. Here is the prototype I came with. Please don't laugh, I just created this in literally 1 minute. So here is the main page and here is the full focus screen. This is just a prototype. I don't know if I will add maybe more elements or maybe change something, but this is what I will work with for now. And for the colors I will ask ChatGPT because I'm really sucks at choosing colors, so I will just ask ChatGPT and see what we'll get. So basically I forgot to record while I was creating the header and the hero section, so I will show you the process really quick. So I started by adding the global rules of the CSS. I added like the colors and font size, also some other rules. Now it's time to create the HTML page. We'll link the CSS file but later. Now we'll create the header. I forgot to add the logo, so I add it, and here is how it looks like before the CSS, and here is after. I added a hover effect. Okay, for the hero section I added this circle and the buttons. So the problem with the progress bar, I wanted to add I wanted to create a div and like a circle div, and here is also a circle div, and another one is the background. I have no idea how I was about to make the progress bar work. I think it would be really complicated, so I just used an SVG. Here is a circle, the background, and here is the progress bar. You can make it work by like reducing the dash offset here. Here how does it work, as you can see. So now I can just calculate the progress percentage and it will work like this, as you can see here. As you can see the dash offset value here. And for the timer functionality, as you can see here, when you click on the start button, I added the start timer function here, and here for updating the timer text, and here this one, this counts the time, and this for stopping the timer, and this calculates the progress percentage, and this one when the timer is completed. So after that I created a pop-up for the edit section and I made the JS code for it. For this one I created two inputs, one for the task name and one for the task duration, and I created a button to submit the task, and I started styling these inputs. I had a really tiny problem. There is like a gap between the task name and the task duration. It was due to inline block property. I solved this by adding the two inputs inside the div, and I just make it display flex and it worked. Now I will create the functionality for submitting the tasks. Here I added rules when submitting the task because if the task's inputs are empty, it will warn the user. And if it's not, we will add the task name and the task duration inside an object, and we will add it in array.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط
After that, we will append the task info inside the tasks list, and we will add the clear button and start button. I get a problem here when I'm trying to retrieve the task information. Inside the task name, I got this object HTML. I don't know why it's adding an object. It was because I was adding the task input itself, not the value. I was really dumb at that point. I forget completely that the local storage doesn't have other value but just strings. And the solution was really easy. I just needed to use JSON.stringify to make the value of the array into string. Now I will try to get the tasks from the local storage and add it to the task list. Now it's time to create the functionality when the user click on clear button or on the start button. Here I was trying to get the index of the element. So in the beginning I was just trying to create nested loop and loop on the parent child nodes. It was really dumb approach. The solution was really easy. You just need to create a variable and assign the index value to the variable. At this point, I was just trying to simplify the code and make it easier. So I just created functions. Here I was trying to remove the event listener click when the user click on the start button or the clear button outside the for loop, but it didn't work out, so I just leave it.
مستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Bro, and here I was trying to remove the element by using the bob method and assign the index to it. I was really dumb for using it. So I discovered out and I used the splice method and it worked. After that, I was trying to add a default time when the user pressed. I was updating the default time to the task. Honestly, I was really lazy, so I just removed it after some time. While I was doing the default time, after just starting the task, the progress bar was like reaching the end. I don't know why, but eventually it was because when I add the time to the local storage, the time become a string. Now I will try to fix the problem in the design, like if there is any problem, or maybe I will make it responsive. As you can see, I started reducing the width of the SVG and the font size. And for the task form, I just make the flex direction column and it looks even better.
آمين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم حميم.
Here when the task name was too long on the mobile, it was getting out from the screen, so I was making the task box flex direction to column, but I didn't like how the design looks like, so I will just make the overflow hidden.
تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز.
Now I will add clear all button to clear all the tasks at once. Now for the functionality of the button, I don't need that much code. I will just clear the local storage.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم حميم تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز العليم غافر الذنب وقابل التوب شديد العقاب ذي الطول لا.
After that, I just created a footer and checked if the performance of the website is still good or not. It was 100, so it doesn't have that much elements, so of course it will be good. Now it's time to work on the dark mode. It was really easy. I had a website before that I created the functionality and everything else. It was just copy and paste. I also added a break time mode. When the time is completed, the colors of the website will turn into the break mode, basically. Now, after everything is working, it's time to start working on the full screen mode.
قول لا إله إلا هو إليه المصير ما يجادل في آيات الله إلا الذين كفروا فلا يغررك تقلبهم في البلاد.
While I was trying to import the functions from the main JavaScript file, I was getting really an annoying error. I didn't know why. It has nothing to do with the functions that I was importing. So I just created another JavaScript file, and I will copy the functions that I want to use. And for the functionality, I just added a full screen mode. When you click on the full screen button or when you start a task, the full screen mode will be applied. And I added audio when the user click on the button or when the timer is running. So I added option in the setting to disable the audio.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح والأحزاب من بعدهم وهمت كل أمة برسولهم ليأخذوه وجادلوا بالباطل ليدحضوا به الحق فأخذتهم فكيف كان عقاب وكذلك حقت كلمة ربك على الذين كفروا أنهم أصحاب النار الذين يحملون العرش ومن حوله يسبحون بحمد ربهم ويؤمنون به ويستغفرون للذين آمنوا ربنا وسعت كل شيء رحمة وعلما فاغفر للذين تابوا واتبعوا سبيلك وقهم عذاب الجحيم ربنا وأدخلهم جنات